So our question says that in a semiconductor, mobility of electron, that is drift velocity per unit applied electric field, is 1.6. Density of electron is 10 to the power 90 meter cube. So resistivity of semiconductor is. So this is a direct formula based question. So we know that the formula of conductivity is N E nu N E U. So we also know that we need to find the resistivity. So resistivity is nothing but the reciprocal of conductivity. One, so it will become one by conductivity formula, then 1 upon m e mu. So we will put all the given values, and after putting all the given values in the formula, we will find that our answer is 1. So it is 0.4 meter. Thank you.